Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the solar panel by Wasserstein. I might be pronouncing it wrong. It's Wasserstein or Wasserstein. This is a solar panel for your Blink cameras. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings just in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So it's made in China. This company does have a website and they're sold on various platforms designed specifically for the Blink XLT and the Blink XLT camera. So you might be out there wondering if you've got one of the Blink cameras. They run on 2 AA lithium batteries. You might be thinking, what's the deal? Those batteries usually last a long time, and that is true unless you're doing something like me where I put them on bird feeders and bird cameras, and when they're getting triggered non-stop, those batteries can go pretty quick. So I'm basically using this for my Blink cameras that I use outside with wildlife. So we get some hardware mounting screws. Not real sure why. Package, oh yeah, here we go. Package is open, so one of the screws fell out, but you get 3 screws. Little instruction pamphlet. A mounting plate. It's plastic. Got 2 holes there for your screws, and then you've got a plate here that your solar panel is going to slide into. Hopefully you're able to see this okay. I think I'd follow the directions. They've got an arrow here that shows you how to do it, so you simply slide it in following the direction of the arrow. It's got a locking mechanism, so I don't want to slide it in. You can tell that it locks once it gets to this point. So, and then last but not least, the solar panel. And it is nice. It feels well made, at least nice and sturdy. Let me show you the port back here. Is an Android charging cable, or that's what I call it, standard Android charging cable. But it's got a lip around the outside basically to keep water out of your camera. So when you plug it into the back of the camera, it will be sealed and waterproof. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.